pity. It's always the easiest one to spot out there. Still inside the first 10 minutes, and Jamaica asserting their physical presence very well here. And the referee is going to have to sort things out. But already the instructions are clear. Get stuck in. And the Jamaican team members certainly making their presence felt. They've already signaled to Saudi Arabia there are not going to be any pushovers. He can do, there is Theodore Whitmore. And a very special day for Theodore Whitmore, coaching Jamaica for the 100th time today. I've read in the newspapers in Jamaica. Should get it clear here. Al-Maliki. Well, the challenge on Al-Maliki resulting in a free kick, and it looks like Jamaica won it. Al-Maliki just giving a little lecture there to Bobby Reid. Not sure how much English he speaks though. Bobby Reid did get in, and Al-Maliki dived in on Reid. And the Bayern Leverkusen player. Not sure if they share German as a common language. As is Lee. Hector might be the target here. Oh! Just at the near post and headed clear. Al-Hamdan doing the defensive duties. The big centre forward came in and cleared that one. It was certainly heading in towards the near post. And we'll join that one in progress at 3:30 p.m. ECT and 2:30 Jamaican time. Now, this could be a chance here. Didn't get the contact, but well saved by Al-Yami, who needs no second invitation to come forward. Came in. It was a difficult ball to handle, but credit to him, he got it on target. And Al-Yami did very well. There was a defender retreating behind him, and that one may have taken a deflection, and the big man in goal touches it over. Good pressure by Saudi Arabia. Long ball here by Lowe, and again looking for the run of Campbell, and will find him. Offside against Campbell. No VAR in this game, so you would see that the linesmen are calling the offsides a lot more quickly than you would see in the Premier League, where VAR is employed. It's one of the changes you would notice. Lowe is in there, as well as Campbell and Hector on the back post. They're looking towards the front post, looking for Campbell. Back in towards Lowe. Is he onside here? He's clipped it in. It's headed in, but it's offside. Whistle went very early, miles behind the last defender. But tell you what, he may have actually been onside, but there were several players on the far side who may not necessarily have been interfering with play who were in offside positions. Theodore Whitmore's side has looked a lot better in this game. They've had a few more training sessions since their defeat on Saturday, and they looked a much more cohesive unit according to reports in training. Here's Lee with the cross. Chesting cross towards the far post. We have seen this every now and again from Hector. Moves up from that central position into the midfield to provide a little bit of more support. This is a good ball. Chance here for Al-Hamdan. And he scored. Puts it away for Saudi Arabia. And that is 1-0 in minute 29. Al-Hamdan has put Saudi Arabia ahead. 4 goals now unanswered for Herve Renard's team. And the Jamaica staff are up off the bench. Miller is not pleased. Everyone believes that who's not in a green and white outfit of Saudi Arabia believes there was an infringement there. Ravel Morrison, who's getting his first start today for Jamaica. Let's see it again. Here's the pass. Was Al-Hamdan in an offside position? Certainly wasn't there, but maybe in the early bit could have been just offside. Well taken goal, you have to say, and set up well. Took it down, and with the left foot between the legs of Miller. And complaints from Theodore Whitmore and his staff that was... He wasn't offside on the second occasion, but I think the first one, there may be an argument there. But what a goal by Johnson. Well-worked move, and with the left foot, bent it into the top corner. One of the great goals you'll see. Look at the bend on that. Lionel Messi would have been smiling at that. Johnson swerves it in. Now Al-Yami could do nothing but watch that one nestle into the back of his net. There he is. Johnson, Daniel Johnson, the Preston North End player. Picked it up well. No one picked him up, and he just curled it in. So that has to be about 25 yards out. A spectacular goal. He takes it away. Chance for him here. And he puts it home. Jamaica ahead. 64th minute. He's been in the wars today. Javon East knocked away one player in front of him. Used his strength well. Got it away from Al-Yami and slots it home well. Jamaica ahead 2-1. Wonderful come from behind performance here. And Javon East, who's labored throughout today, has now put in Jamaica's second goal. And Al Burayak has gone into the referee's notebook for a complaint here. Let's look at it again. Al Burayak went over too easily, one would feel, and Javon East put it past Al-Yami. There was a lot of shoulder in that, and maybe a little bit more. Perhaps a little bit lucky to get away with the decision. Well, Al Burayak certainly did not do a very good job of protecting the ball, and Javon East took his chance well. You can't play and officiate. Waited for the keeper to commit himself and put it wide of him. 2-1 Jamaica, and the visitors are ahead. I'm sure that San Carlos would be very happy to see that their top striker is doing the business. That is a good shot and a good save there by Knight. First bit of work he's done from, and that long-range shot from Bahibri. There's Hervé Renard, looking rather philosophical. That was a tricky save there, just landing slightly in front of Knight, joined from Alweda in 2019. And what a turn of events here. Jamaica overrun in the first game 3-0 and behind in the second game, as we've seen Reed depart. On in his place, as we said, is McGee. Number 21 for Jamaica. This is Lambert coming on. Lambert, one of the players who would have started in the first game and was sacrificed for this one. And Lambert is going to replace perhaps the man of the match here, Bailey, who's had a very good shift and has tormented the Saudi Arabia defense on the right side. To attack here, Javon East peeling away to his right. He might think about hitting one here. East has it. Chances here for Jamaica. Oh, and low, can't put it in. Oh, has he done so? No. Had the opportunity there low and couldn't stab it home. Jamaica in the last minute here, about to close off their first win against Saudi Arabia in 6 games, and their first since 1999. Burayak, the skipper, now gets the cross in and cleared long, and that's it. Victory for Jamaica. Come from behind win for Jamaica. Al Hamdan's goal put Saudi Arabia ahead in the 29th minute. Johnson, the number 6 there in your picture, struck home a fearsome blow in the 35th minute. And then that man, Javon East, rounded the keeper and scored. Should have had another goal, but Jamaica run out winners here. A morale-boosting win for Jamaica. It ends in a little bit of controversy here, as it's been a feisty game all the way through. But the team in gold, green, and black will head home with victory here, as Al Hamdan still unhappy with one or two of the decisions here. Not sure how good his English is, but it appears from the words he's saying that he knows a few words indeed. But victory for Jamaica, 2-1 in Riyadh, and their first victory over Saudi Arabia in 21 years. I'm Vidya Ramphal on behalf of Flow Sports. We leave you with the news that Jamaica, after being defeated by Saudi Arabia 3-0 in the opening match, have run out 2-1 winners here in Riyadh. Bye for now.